Yes, good morning students. Let us continue with the chapter number 6. It's miscellaneous exercise. Question number 11. Question number 11 is a solution is to be kept between 68 Fahrenheit and 77 Fahrenheit. What is the range of the temperature in the degree Celsius if the Celsius oblique Fahrenheit conversion formula is given as F is equal to 9 upon 5 C plus 32. Now students, here what is given to you, the range is given to you that 68 is less than F is less than 77. Now what we will do here, because the conversion formula we have, now we will put this value, this will come as 68 is less than 9 by 5 C plus 32, then students, is less than 77. Right? One by one we will remove this 32 first. Means this implies that 68 minus 32 is less than 9 by 5 C is less than 77 minus 32, then students. Now it will come as 36 is less than 9 by 5 C is less than 45. Now we have to remove this 9 by 5 from here. So what we will do, we will multiply 36 and 45 by 9 by 5. So what we will get, 36 is multiplied by 9, 5 by 9 is less than C is less than 45 multiplied by 5 by 9. So it will come as 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are. So it will come as 5 4s are 20 is less than C is less than 25, then students. So how we will write our answer? We will say that the temperature that will lie. Now what we will say? What is the range of the temperature? The range of the temperature will lie between 20 degree and 25 degree. Let us come with question number 12. A solution of 8% boric acid is to be diluted by adding 2% boric acid solution to it. The resulting mixture is to be more than 4% less than 6% of the boric acid. If we have 640 liters of 8% solution, how many liters of 2% solution will have to be added? Now here in the last line it is given you that how many liters of 2% of the solution is to be added. So here I have mentioned, students, let X liters of the 2% boric acid solution is added. Now what I have done here, 8% of 640 liters plus 2% of X liters, this is equal to 4% to 6% of 640 plus X liters, students. Now here what you have to keep in your mind, here it is given to you that the resulting mixture is to be more than 4%. This is the resulting mixture, students. Resulting mixture is what? 8% of 640 plus 2% of X. It is more than 4% of 640 plus X but less than 6% of 640 plus X, then students. Now here what I am doing, here it is the percentage and percentage. We will change this percentage first. We will remove this percentage divided by 100 and same. Now students, what I am doing here, I am going to multiply, I am going to solve in the bracket. 4 is multiplied by 640, it will come as 2560 plus 4x upon 100 is less than 5120 upon 100 plus 2x upon 100 is less than 3840 plus 6x upon 100. Now students, in there are two inequalities are now we have. So very easily we can, if I will multiply it by 100, very easily we can remove the 100 from here. So we will write it as 2560 plus 4x is less than 5120 plus 2x is less than 3840 plus 6x. Now here what I am doing, I am going to divide this into two parts. This is the first inequality, this is the second inequality. So I am going to solve the first inequality first. So that is 2560 plus 4x is less than 5120 plus 2x. So we will collect the variables in the one side and it will come as x is less than 1280, and here with the same way we will solve and we will get as 320 is less than x. Therefore students, we will write our answer, that is 320 is less than x is less than 1280. It means how you will write your answer now? It means here it is mentioned that x liter of the boric acid. Now we will say that 2% of the boric acid that will be added between the range of 320 and 1280 liters then students. This is your question number 12. Let us come with question number 13. Here is the question number 13. If you will see that in the question number 13, it is exactly same as like question number 12 then student. Try to solve it yourself. Let us come with question number 14. In question number 14, IQ of a person is given by the formula that IQ is equal to MA, mental age upon chronical age multiplied by 100. Now this is IQ formula is given where the MA is the mental age and CA is the chronical age, and the range is given you as 80 is less or equal to IQ is less or equal to, that is 140 then students. It is given to you. Now for the age of the group of 12-year-old children, find the range of their mental age. Student, here in this question we have to find out the mental age. Now what you will see that 80 is less or equal to IQ is given as MA upon CA multiplied by 100 is less or equal to 140, right? Now this is 80 is less or equal to, MA, chronicle is given you as 12 multiplied by 100 is less or equal to 140 then students. Now here first of all I am going to solve this 100 from there. So what I will do, this implies that 80 divided by 100 less or equal to MA upon 12 is less or equal to 140 upon 100 then students. So it will come as 8 by 10 is less or equal to MA by 12 is less or equal to 40 by 10. Now here is 12. It means we have to, if we want to remove it from here, we have to multiply it by 12. If it is multiplied by 12, it will come as 8 by 10 multiplied by 12 is less or equal to MA is less or equal to 14 by 10 multiplied by 12. So it will come as 96 divided by 10 means 9.6. 9.6 is less or equal to MA is less or equal to, we will multiply it. This will come as 12 4s are 48, 4 is there, 12 1 is 12 plus 4 is 16, or we can say that 16.8. Means this is the range of the mental age then students. It means the mental age of that child will lie between 9.6 and 16.8. This is the way to solve this type of the question. With that question your chapter inequalities complete then students. That's it.